everyone, welcome to the Dinstar product experience event. Today we bring you the unboxing video of the brand new G280 series IP phones. Stylish and powerful, easy to use even for beginners. There are two models in G280 series, G280 and G280p, with identical appearance and accessories. Today we use the popular G280p to show you the whole process. Full accessories are included for immediate use without extra purchases. It includes one G280p IP phone, one telephone handset, one base bracket, one handset cord and one network cable. G280p supports PoE power supply with no standard power adapter, which is optional. G280 does not support PoE and comes with a standard power adapter. Let's check out its overall texture. It adopts a minimalist business design with rounded edges that won't scratch your hands. The buttons offer a comfortable touch, making it both elegant and practical for office use. After receiving the phone, simply check its appearance and interfaces to confirm no damage. Then you can start assembly. It is extremely easy. Assembly can be completed in 3 steps. Just follow my instructions. First, connect both ends of the handset cord, one end to the handset and the other to the RJ9 port on the back of the phone for a firm connection. Second, align the stand with the slot on the rear of the phone and push it to lock fur. It supports 2 adjustable angles for comfortable placement. Third, connect power and network. G280p supports PoE. One network cable realizes network and power supply for neat wiring. Just plug in the power adapter for non-PoE models, plug and play. For environmental protection, G280 series is not equipped with paper manuals. You can contact suppliers or download free electronic quick installation guides from official Dinstar website. That's the full unboxing and installation process of Dinstar G280 series IP phones, featuring minimalist design, easy installation and stable performance. It works perfectly for corporate offices, call centers and store scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please refer to the electronic manual or contact official technical support. See you next time.